Oh my gosh. So I get a lot of headaches and migraines. And
Okay.
every time it's like at the very top
Okay.
of my neck. It'll do both sides. But if it starts there, then I already know it's going to turn into a migraine.
I felt it all the way down. Mostly like up top, but it definitely went down to the lower too.
So let's see, what do we got going on here?
So I get a lot of headaches and migraines. And
Okay.
every time it's like at the very top
Okay.
of my neck. It'll do both sides. But if it starts there, then I already know it's going to turn into a migraine. Like, there's like a lot of tension
Yep.
in there, and then if I don't go ahead and take medicine, then it just kind of goes down my shoulders.
Oh, geez. How long has this been going on for?
For a while, it's gotten worse.
Okay.
I have been seeing a chiropractor, but he doesn't really adjust. He has like a machine that he kind of vibrates, I guess.
Yep.
Vertebrae.
Okay.
Now he will like lay me down and he'll pop like my upper back, but he doesn't really ever do anything
In
with
the
my
neck. Okay. Dang. Yeah, and obviously something is...
I was told, oh God, it's probably been 15 years ago, that I think it was my atlas. The chiropractor said that it didn't move like when I do this.
Okay.
It did not move correctly, but I don't know if that's still
Gotcha.
accurate or not.
I mean, there's a possibility, but...
But honestly, like when it starts that, if I can like lay down and like get it to relax, and I know I'm not supposed to pop, my own, but if I can get it to pop, then it's almost like an instant release.
Okay. And then it won't trigger and turn into a migraine on you? Okay.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Dang. And then,
It just like it just gets all knotted up, and
is it like weekly, monthly, or?
it's definitely a few times a month. Some
Okay.
4 or 5 times.
Oh my God. Oh, wow, that is awful. And if you don't catch it,
Then
how long does it last?
if I can take the medicine and like go to bed that night, then usually I'm okay.
Okay.
The next morning. Sometimes it might go into the next morning, but usually if I can.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. How is like range of motion, movement in the
I
neck?
feel like it's kind of good. I don't know. I know I have horrible posture too, but I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But like I don't really feel like I have like limitations.
Okay.
I do clean for a living, so I don't know if that contributes also.
Well, a lot of movements, a lot of bending, turning, twisting, things like that. Something could have threw it down as well. No, I gotcha. Let me have you go face down.
Should I take off my sweatshirt? I have a t-shirt on.
Oh, then yeah, you're good.
Okay. If it would be any easier or not. You said face down?
Yes. Let's check that leg length. Not bad. Right does pull a tiny bit shorter than the left. Okay. Yeah, definitely a little bit in the upper cervical. We've got some rotation up here. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with this.
Okay.
And then no issues really lower.
No, not normally.
So, okay. It's alright. Right up top here.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Good. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table and then bring one leg on each side.
My neck has never popped like that.
Really?
Not that extreme. It's usually just one little.
Okay, we're gonna bring, yep, one arm up, bring your other arm up here. Good. There we go. Whew. You can relax your arms. Yeah, now I'm going to do a little bit of soft tissue work.
Okay.
Relaxing the traps, rhomboids, and kind of sucks, I'm not going to lie, but needed. There we go. Okay. Let me have you go face down again. Good. Good with that leg length. Yeah, low back does move really well. I just want to get a couple drops in.
Okay.
Really at the lower, the L5 under the sacrum. flip onto your back. And just relax your legs. We're going to do leg pulls, so you'll feel some release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip. There we go. And just relax. Have you ever had this done?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Yeah, with this, we're gonna decompress the spine.
Oh, God. Oh.
What did you feel?
I felt it all the way down. Mostly like up top, but it definitely went down to the lower too.
Good. A little bit different than what you've had done?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you. And rest.
It's like you just feel the pressure like going away, I guess.
Yeah, a lot of the times, like you can tell that you need it,
Yeah.
but you don't know this is what you need.
Yeah.
Okay. Scoot up just a
Okay.
little bit more. And then come on back down. I want to make sure we got everything. Rest. What did you feel?
That was definitely mostly up here,
Okay.
but
Well, we know that obviously
where the issues are.
Yeah, you should be having headache migraines like that.
Yeah, and honestly, like, I hate to take the medicine, but then if I don't, I know I'm going to
Yeah.
pay for it, you know, so.
How do you feel?
Good. Like, I can tell is it normal to be like sore? Or you're not sore, but you know, it's just
Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
a little tender on that side.
Yeah, everything literally just
I
stretched.
think.
But yeah, it finally just decompressed your spine, but all the muscles and ligaments just got to get used to being decompressed
Yeah.
now.
Like, is there anything I should do, like going forward, like stretches or anything like that that you recommend, or?
There's definitely a couple things that you could do. Because the whole point is wanting to keep this
Yeah,
from not, obviously your body from not getting
going
to
back.
that. How's that feel?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know. The tension's gone. I guess you don't realize the tension is actually there until
Yeah, until it's gone.
Yeah.
And then you're like, wow, okay.
Yeah. No, it feels good.
Now, when was your last migraine?
Last weekend.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a little tight on either Monday or Tuesday. Like, I could tell it was getting tight, but I just tried to lay on like one of the massage things. So,
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't like, it didn't feel like it needed popped. It was just, the muscles seemed to be tight. But last weekend, it was Friday night, I had one.
Gotcha.
So,
Well, hopefully after
it's
that,
good to go.
push
Yeah.
this off for a long time before anything starts coming back, or hopefully push it off completely.
Yeah.
Would be ideal.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.